Morning, everybody. It is now 10 past 7. Saturday morning is the 22nd of January. A bit late for the first video, but you don't know. Busy, crazy. From Christmas right back to the New Year is always a crazy time for most persons, but especially pharmacy. Jesus, boy. Rough. But anyhow, 7 o'clock right now, 7:10, right? Headed to the pharmacy, kick it off. Today's about to be a long day. That'll be a long day, definitely, no doubt. Starting off with a 2015 fit. Drop in some fog lamps. You don't know there with the sequential. And some bumper lights. You haven't seen that as yet. I won't bore you with the fog lamps and so. Just a few cinematic shots. So I'm going to show you the bumper lights. You see me? This one is the 1, 2 brake running light indicator. 4 function. 4 function. Not just the one with the brakes. This is 4 functions. So indicator, reverse, running light, everything. You don't know. So yeah man, just stay tuned. Yeah man. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like the video and comment. Yeah. This is a familiar site. You guys know what's going on here. So let's keep it moving on our stuff. So we just finish. Customer X can go ahead now. You have the pleasantries of removing your plastics. Alright. Yeah. Next side. Yeah. Ain't you know. Guys, you see this box? Don't forget that box, you know. This fit have a lot more upgrades, a lot more mods coming soon. But my boss, go ahead and start up. Give us a run through of the features for the bumper lights. And this 2015 fit. I'll cycle through the features right now. Give you guys a look. As you can see, that's the brake. Park light. So this is it with the park light. Get me? You can press the brake again. As you can see, it gets brighter with the brake. Alright, hazard. You don't know. You have the indicators in place. Reverse now. Alright. So the DRLs come on. You know this. You don't know this. Turn on the fog lights. Yeah, LEDs, don't know. Indicate. Or just hazard. Yeah. Alright. Cool. Can turn off now.